Alright, now that I got mine removed, and I've already installed the new one, just a brief little thing is that the clip is a red clip. You pull it up, and then you just kind of push it and pull it out. There's going to be 2 Torx bolts or screws that hold this in. They're T20, and it's going to be one on top, and I believe it's this one on the bottom. They're really, really hard to get in. You have to kind of lay on your back on the floorboard. You can do it with basic tools. That's what I did. It's a little difficult, but just a little perseverance and you should be good. So now that I got mine installed, here's the part number I used. I just bought it on Amazon. Wasn't too expensive, but yeah, you can use that. I've already put it in and I've already ran it around the block, and blows hot, blows cold, doesn't tick anymore. But I'm always curious to kind of see what happens, and so I have it kind of set up and rigged here, and I see that there is a tooth missing right here. I don't know if that's what causes it, but if I actually turn it on and get this actuator and kind of apply some pressure, if I can get it, hold on. We'll use this as kind of a point of reference. You can kind of hear it ticking. I don't know if that's what causes that little thing, but you can kind of hear it ticking. But just food for thought, kind of curious. If you guys were curious too, I think that's it. Hope you found the video informative. I couldn't find anything really on the Challengers. A lot of Chargers, and everyone seemed to be taking apart the passenger side. But my clicking wasn't coming from the passenger side. Mine came from the driver's side. So I just thought maybe I'd upload a little video and show you what I found. Hope you enjoy.